Hi, I'm Alex Bond. I'm with the Nature Division and Leisure Services Department, and you are watching Snapshot 6. This month, we'll be taking a look at efforts of the Athens-Clarke County Unified Government in and around the community, also talking about the Mayor's Youth Commission and Assembly, a partnership between the Leisure Services Department and the Mayor's Office.
The Mayor's Youth Commission met in October in the Commission Chamber at City Hall for a regular meeting and conversation with members of the Mayor and Commission. They also toured the ACTV Control Booth studio and learned about the behind-the-scenes work that goes into televising and streaming Mayor and Commission meetings. The Youth Commissioners asked questions of the Mayor and Commission about road projects, the SPLOST referendum, youth activities in town, and economic development. The final part of the discussion was about some projects that need input from Athens-Clarke County youth. Made up of 10th through 12th graders, the Mayor's Youth Commission started in the summer of 2019 to encourage effective youth engagement in Athens-Clarke County and to provide an opportunity for youth voices to communicate directly with local government leadership. On October 5th, Keep Athens-Clarke County Beautiful, the Stormwater Management Division, Leisure Services, the Water Conservation Office, and other outside organizations participated in the 2019 Rivers Alive event. The 2019 Rivers Alive event was extremely successful, with 325 dedicated citizens at 15 different sites around Athens. Enthusiastic volunteers collected 4.5 tons of trash, 1.47 tons of leaf and limb, a half ton of recycling, 9,320 pounds of metal, and 244 tires. ACC Gov's Solid Waste Department partnered with the Police Department and Triangle Plaza businesses in the Nellie B area to host a neighborhood cleanup day on October 26th. Staff collected over 9.5 tons of trash in 4 hours. Residents disposed of everything from old tires to couches to scrap metal and paint. Many of the items were diverted for recycling. A 58 kilowatt solar energy system was recently installed at the Rocksprings Community Center. The Sustainability Office received a $50,000 rebate from the Georgia Solar Program to assist with the new installation. This rebate provides a dollar-for-dollar match for installing solar energy systems at local government facilities. Staff from the Sustainability Office and the SPLOST Office coordinated the project, which used funds from the SPLOST 2011 Energy Sustainability Project. This system will produce enough energy to offset approximately 67% of the community center's energy use. Solid Waste staff organized the second annual PAWS for Recycling to collect donated items for animal services from ACC Gov staff and the public, and to encourage shelter adoptions. In addition to visiting a number of events, the department collected over 300 pounds of dried dog food, over 200 cans of cat and dog food, 37 pounds of cat and dog treats, 120 pounds of cat litter, and 200 towels and washcloths. They also received blankets, sheets, toys, dog leashes, shampoo and beauty products, doggy sweaters and vests, and bandanas for the animal shelter. The new SPLOST-funded replacement building for Fire Station Number 2 on Cleveland Road officially opened with a ribbon-cutting ceremony and public open house on October 20th. The building is part of a larger project that combines SPLOST 2011 Projects Number 3 and Number 10 to include the construction of the new Cooperative Extension building on the same site. The two projects share a parking lot and site, which allowed construction to occur simultaneously, and for the projects to share some features such as stormwater retention. The building replaced the former Fire Station Number 2, which was previously located on the corner of Mitchell Bridge Road and Atlanta Highway.
Thanks for watching Snapshot 6. We'll see you next month.